What if I told you you can use AI to make money online even if you have zero experience? No coding, no degree, no big investment. In today's video, I'm showing you 5 powerful AI tools that people are using right now to earn money online. And number 4, it can literally create a business for you in minutes. Let's go! Number 1, ChatGPT. Get paid to write anything. Yes, this AI can literally write almost anything. Here's how people are making money with it: writing blog posts for clients, creating YouTube scripts, selling books on Amazon, doing freelance work on Fiverr and Upwork, writing resumes and cover letters. You don't need to be a professional writer. You just give smart prompts, edit the result, and deliver it to clients. Some freelancers make $500 to $3,000 per month just using this tool. Pro tip: offer AI-assisted writing services. Businesses love fast content. Number 2, Midjourney. Make money with AI art. This tool turns text into amazing images. People are using it to sell print-on-demand t-shirts, create phone wallpapers, design posters, sell digital art on Etsy, create book covers. You type cyberpunk cat in neon city, ultra realistic, and boom, you get stunning art. Upload it to platforms like Etsy or Redbubble, and you have a digital product business. No drawing skills needed. Number 3, Pictory. Make faceless YouTube videos. Don't want to show your face? No problem. This AI turns text into full videos with stock footage, captions, background music, voiceover. People are building faceless YouTube channels and earning from ads. You can create motivation videos, top 10 videos, finance tips, celebrity facts, and you don't even need a camera. Number 4, Shopify Plus AI. Start an online store fast. This one is powerful. Using AI tools with Shopify, you can generate product descriptions, create logos, design store layouts, write ad copy. Some AI tools even suggest trending products. You can launch a dropshipping store in a weekend, find a winning product, run TikTok ads, scale. Many beginners are making their first online sales this way. Number 5, Fiverr Plus AI services. This is where you turn AI into cash. Go to Fiverr and offer services like AI content writing, AI logo design, AI video creation, AI social media posts, AI resume writing. Use AI to do the heavy work. You just manage clients and deliver results. Simple system. Client pays you $50. You use AI. You deliver in 24 hours. Repeat. The real secret: use them together. Example: use ChatGPT for script. Use Midjourney for thumbnails. Use Pictory for video. Upload to YouTube. Monetize. That's a full AI business. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to make you faster. The people who learn these tools now will win big in the next few years. So don't just watch this video. Pick one tool, start today, take action. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment AI money. Subscribe for more AI income ideas. See you in the next one.